Today we will discuss applications of Maxwell distribution function. In our previous classes, we have already derived the velocity distribution function, Maxwell velocity distribution function. Today, first application is average velocity. The formula of average velocity is given by this 1 upon n integration 0 to infinity c dnc, where c is the magnitude of the velocity of a molecule and n is the number of molecule per unit volume. Number of molecule in C and C plus dc is given by this formula, and this has been derived earlier by this equation. We can find this by putting the value of b, which is equal to m upon 2 kt. So c bar, this equation can be put in this equation. So we find this equation c bar equals to 4 pi b upon pi 3 by 2 integration 0 infinity c3 exponential minus bc square dc. If there is this type of equation and we try to found the integration of this equation, then we can find it directly by putting the value of n. For n equals to 0, the integration of this type of equation is given by this equation. This is n, and for n equals to 0, I0 is equals to this. For n equals to 1, I1 equals to 1 upon 2b, n upon n equals to 2, I2 equals to this, and so on. Here n equals to 3, so we can directly put the value of the integration of this equation, which is equals to 1 upon 2b square. So this equation can be put in equation first. So we can find 4 pi b upon pi 3 by 2 1 upon 2b square. By solving, this can be written as this, and finally by putting the value of b, we can find this equation. This is the equation of average velocity. Here we note that average velocity is dependent on temperature, which is proportional to under root of temperature. Second application is root mean square speed. As we know that the RMS speed, this is in short RMS, this is equals to square root of the mean of the square of speed of molecule in the system, and this is denoted by CRMS. So this is square root of the mean of the square of speed. We can write the average of c square like this, and finally we got this equation. But we already know this equation, and by putting the value of b, this can be found. CRMS square is equals to this. Here this equation, we try to find out the integration of this equation for this n equals to 4, and for n equals to 4, the integration of this equation is directly written as 3 by 8 pi upon b5 under root 1 by 2, and by solving this we can write it 3 by 2 upon 1 upon b. By putting the value of b, we can finally find this equation, which means CRMS root mean square velocity is equals to under root of 3 kt upon m. The third application of Maxwell distribution function is most probable speed. Most probable speed is the speed with which the maximum number of molecules moves in the system. For most probable speed, C is equals to Cm. And this most probable speed, the probability of molecules must be highest. So for being highest probability, the differentiation of probability function must be equals to 0, as we read in mathematics. So the differentiation of probability function dfc must be 0 for the highest probability, and fc is given by this equation. So by differentiating this fc with respect to c, we can write this like this. After differentiation, we can write this, because this is constant quantity. So the differentiation of this one will be 0. By putting exponential minus bc square in multiple, we can differentiate c square, which is equals to 2c, and by putting c square in multiple, we can differentiate exponential minus bc square, which is equals to exponential minus bc square into minus 2bc. By taking common 2c exponential minus bc square, we can write this as 1 minus bc square, which is 0, and finally 1 minus bc square equals 0. C is 1 upon b. From this equation, c is under root 1 upon b, but we all know b, the value of b, which is equals to m upon 2 kt. By putting the value of b in this equation, 2 kt, we can find the value of c, 2 kt upon m, means 2 kt upon n under root. Here we also note that the Cm, most probable velocity, is also dependent on temperature, which is equals to, the Cm is Cm is inversely proportional to 1 upon under root m,